St. Luke's Outpatient Therapy Services provides a number of unique specialty treatment options to individuals suffering from lymphedema and other related conditions. Through a comprehensive and holistic approach, our highly trained and experienced staff provide treatment consistent with current research and evidence-based clinical care. St. Luke's offers lymphedema therapy at our Deloge Outpatient Center in Chesterfield. Let's take a tour of the facility and introduce you to our lymphedema services.
St. Luke's experienced lymphedema therapists provide one-on-one individualized care based on the unique needs of each patient. Our team of experienced therapists provide interventions to a wide range of conditions, including all stages of head, neck, and upper and lower extremity lymphedema, axillary web syndrome, hereditary lipedema, lipolymphedema, and phlebial lymphedema due to chronic venous stasis and vascular insufficiency. Each patient receives a comprehensive evaluation consisting of a physical exam and assessment. Treatment plans are established and patients receive care based on clinical findings and individual patient needs. Therapists utilize manual therapy and other lymph drainage techniques, bandaging and wrapping, compression garments, compression pumps, and other therapeutic modalities necessary to achieve rehabilitation goals. Our goal is to return patients to their highest level of pain-free function in as short of time possible.
Thank you for joining us on this brief tour. St. Luke's Therapy Services is proud of our history of providing outstanding clinical and cost-effective healthcare. We pride ourselves in providing individualized patient care. Our specialty is you. We invite you to visit any of our clinics conveniently located throughout the metropolitan area. For information regarding programs, services, or locations, please contact us at 314-205-6185 or visit stlukes-stl.com.